to client-side web development orientation, and this video is meant to give you a quick orientation to the course. As you can see, here is the Blackboard course, Spring 2025 client-side development. First place you'll want to go is you'll want to go to the syllabus. And we click there. And in the syllabus, if you click on the syllabus, I'll go ahead and show you what the syllabus is going to look like. Looks like this. You can go ahead and read through most of it. A lot of it's pretty much a standard boilerplate. The only thing I want to focus on is our course outline. So these dates are the due dates for all the different assignments, and we also have it broken out by inside the course in the course outline, which I'll show you in a bit. So the first course assignment is going to be due on February 3rd. So the first assignment's already posted, so you can go ahead and start working on that. And then every week you're going to have an additional assignment that will be posted. Okay, and then the final project assignment is going to be due on May 12th, and that's the day of the last assignment. All right, so let's go back here. The other thing you probably want to go is where you're going to want to find out where to view your grades. So if you click My Grades here, what will happen is all your grades, here you have the week 1 assignment. Once you complete it, the score will be here, and then your average will also appear here. So you should always know where you're at as far as if you missed any assignments, you'll see that there won't be a grade, or if you want to look to see what your current grade is, you'll be able to see that here, and they'll be up here in the total and the weighted total. Okay, so all the course content is in the course content link over here. All the lessons and assignments is under the lessons, and I have all the assignments broken out by week number and the date that they're due. Okay, so the first assignment is going to be due on February 3rd. So if you click on here, usually with each assignment there'll be a lesson video where I go over all the PowerPoints, some sample code just to kind of show you an example of everything. Then you'll have the week 1 assignment here where I give you a reading, tell you what to watch, tell you for these first ones you'll need to install the software, which is Microsoft Visual Studio Code. And just a reminder that this is not Microsoft Visual Studio, which is a paid application. This is Microsoft Visual Studio Code, which is a free application that you can download. Make sure that you download the correct version. And then there's an extension. I go over that in the original, in the first lesson. So in the week 1 lesson, I go over how to install the software and get it running on your machine. Okay, and then we have the actual thing you have to hand in. Couple things to remember. Sometimes I'll have you attach screenshots. Most of the code I'll want you to put it in a zip file, so make sure you zip up the entire folder with all the files in it, and then make sure you attach the files before you submit it. Okay, and I also have copies of the PowerPoint presentations here so that you can view those on your own outside of the video lesson. So Okay, so I think that's all I have. Oh, one more thing. Let me go back to the course content here. The other thing I want you to do is I'm going to want you to give just to fill out the student consent. So if you click on here, and I think if you click on here, you take the test. You just hit begin, and it's a one question test. And it says you authorize CT State Community College to record you, and allow that. And this is just in case there shouldn't be any recordings, but we try to make sure you get permission. So just click yes and click save and submit, and then you'll give the community college permission to videotape you, not videotape, but just record you. Like it's basically for if we have to use Collaborate, then Blackboard Collaborate, then and we record your voice or anything that you give us permission. For this class, it's probably not going to be as important, but I try to collect these for all the classes just in case. And a couple other things is there's a warning about the Blackboard mobile app warning. You should read that. And then there's a essentials playlist for students for Blackboard. And that's all we have. So again, welcome to the client-side web development course. If you have any questions, feel free to email me. My email address is in the syllabus, and I'll also be sending you various addresses, various emails out throughout the semester anyways, and then you can always reply to that email to get a hold of me also. All right, well, thank you and welcome, and hope everything goes well with this course for you. Thanks.